Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Retroid Pocket number 2. But in this video here on the Wicked Gamer and Collector we are going to do some more testing. Well, because we are going to test out PSP. If we're going to play some more games, how is the performance? And for the people just wondering, no, it doesn't run God of War. Just going to say it. Because with PSP it's just a mixed bag. But still there are some games playable. And I wanted to see which one they are. So consider subscribing, hit the little bell because I have a lot of stuff coming up. And enjoy the show, grab yourself some popcorn, and let's see how the games are running.
Get ready to race.
3 laps to go. One's yours. Okay, let's go.
Stand by, ready. Phase 1. Engage. Ready?
Okay, so this is what we're going to get with the Retroid Poker 2 and PSP. In the beginning of the video I already mentioned that it's more like a mixed bag, and I think this is just the main problem with these, let's say, Chinese handhelds at the moment. They are slightly underpowered, so some games are not running like they should be. You can see it with some games that we are running it on very low FPS. God of War is just out of the question with most of these handhelds. But some games are playable. So let me know in the comments what do you think. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell, and I will see you in the next video.